In this video, we listed the 5 best printer under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HP ENVY 6055E. The HP printer is a versatile inkjet model designed for home use, ideal for basic color printing tasks such as recipes, forms, and travel documents. It offers print, copy, and scan functionalities with a maximum print speed of 10 ppm for monochrome and 7 ppm for color. Featuring both wired and wireless connectivity options, it includes dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset for seamless connectivity and a USB 2.0 port. The printer comes with HP Plus Smart features, providing advanced mobile printing, security, and automatic updates, though these features require an HP account, an internet connection, and the use of original HP ink. The HP Smart app enables easy setup and mobile printing, scanning, and copying from anywhere. Additionally, customers receive 3 months of instant ink with HP Plus, allowing up to 700 pages per month and saving up to 50% on ink costs. Energy Star certified, the printer is equipped with self-healing Wi-Fi and is designed to work exclusively with original HP cartridges, ensuring reliability through periodic firmware updates. Number 2. KODAK Mini 3 Printer. The KODAK Mini 3 Retro is a portable photo printer that combines convenience, affordability, and superior quality. Utilizing advanced for-pass dye sublimation technology, it produces flawless, long-lasting photos that are resistant to fingerprints and water, with a lifespan of over 100 years. This compact printer allows you to print both bordered and borderless photos, making it versatile for creating lasting memories. The device connects via Bluetooth and works seamlessly with the KODAK Photo Printer app, offering features like filters, frames, and beauty enhancements to personalize your prints. Lightweight and easy to carry, the Mini 3 Retro is perfect for on-the-go printing, allowing you to capture and cherish moments anytime, anywhere, all at a low photo cost. Number 3. Brother QL 800 Printer. The Brother QL 800 is a high-speed, USB-connected thermal label printer designed for efficient and versatile printing tasks. It supports monochrome and black and red printing, offering a maximum print speed of 40 ppm for monochrome output. Compact and lightweight, with dimensions of 4.9-inch x 8.4 w x 5.6 h and weighing only 2.5 pounds, it is ideal for desktop use. The printer is capable of producing cost-effective paper labels for various applications, including packages, envelopes, file folders, name badges, and postage. It prints using Brother DK pre-sized labels and continuous length paper or film tapes, with an auto cutter that allows for banners and signs up to 3 feet long. Additionally, the QL 800 enables users to print postage directly from their desk, making it a convenient tool for both personal and professional labeling needs. Number 4. Canon SELPHY CP1500. The Canon SELPHY CP1500 is a sleek, modern, and portable dye sublimation printer designed for convenience and high-quality photo printing. With Wi-Fi and smartphone connectivity, it offers effortless usability and flexibility, allowing you to print from various devices such as smartphones, computers, cameras, memory cards, and USB flash drives. Its compact design and optional battery pack make it ideal for printing and sharing memories on the go. Photos printed with the SELPHY CP1500 are instantly dry, water-resistant, and designed to last up to 100 years. The printer features a 3.5-inch built-in display for easy viewing, editing, and adding filter effects like sepia or black and white to your images. Number 5. PANTUM P2502W Printer. The PANTUM P2502W is a compact and sleek monochrome laser printer designed for home use, offering fast and high-definition printing speeds of up to 23 pages per minute for letter-sized paper and 22 pages per minute for A4 paper. It supports multiple media sizes and weights up to 163 g, making it versatile for various printing needs. With dimensions of 13.27 inches by 8.66 inches by 7.01 inches, it fits neatly into any workspace and features a durable metal frame structure for long-term use. The printer provides easy one-step wireless installation and supports connectivity via high-speed USB 2.0 and Wi-Fi, as well as mobile device printing through the PANTUM app for iOS and Android systems, excluding Chrome OS compatibility. It comes with a 700-page starter cartridge based on ISO 19752 standards and includes a 1-year standard warranty with access to PANTUM's online customer service.